It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
Hey, it's mail day. You know how excited I get. I think we all do when we get one of these boxes in the mail. Yes, the Be Your Own Motivation Bombshell Sportswear box. I ordered 4 things, and sadly, 2 of the 4 have to go back. But it's not about that today. And one of the things I got in this package was a new release that just came out last week, the Empower legging. So as you know, it comes in the signature Bombshell packaging. And I got these in cool water. For reference, I'm a size small in most of their clothes, so I ordered these in a size small. And let's just take a look at this color. This color is so pretty. I love blues. This is just a beautiful muted blue. It's like a blue with a sheen to it. It's got a little shine to it. It's just gorgeous. It really does look like cool water. It's got the Thrive cut. So the Empower legging is basically the Thrive legging with some, they added a couple pockets. There's a pocket here on the left ankle, and there's a pocket on the upper right thigh. These pockets look amazing. I love how they have the drawstring waistband. I love the color. I love that there's a dip in the back right above the butt. Now, what I didn't love, this tall waistband. Oh my goodness, Bombshell, if you are watching, these waistbands have got to become smaller. This is at least 4 inches tall from here, from top to the dip right above the butt. And this literally touches the bottom of my bra. That's how high up these come on me. If these were 1 inch, just 1 inch shorter, I would have been able to keep these. But sadly, these have to go back because of the waistband height. Everything else about the pant was really nice. Oh my goodness, I love the seams. So it's got these seams on the side of the leg that really give it a good dimension and depth and some good curvature to the leg. The cut of the pant is nice. I wish it had a scrunch butt. This one does not have a scrunch butt. The scrunch butt may have actually been a saving grace to offset some of the height of the waist, but because it's not, and it just goes kind of straight up and down, no, absolutely not. Oh my goodness. So it's interesting because I did buy the Thrive legging and I sent those back, and I did a review on it. I haven't posted it yet, but I will soon. And so this is basically the Thrive cut with some added pockets. And I was really hoping that the new updated version would have worked for me, but the same reason I sent the Thrive back is the reason I have to send these back, this waistband height. And I'm noticing this is quite a theme with Bombshell's items. I don't know why a lot of brands, not just Bombshell, are actually doing these super tall waistbands. If you know why this trend is happening, please let me know in the comments, because I am just at a loss for words. I have no idea why. Like, who needs 4 inches of a waistband? Who? That's just entirely too much. It's like a wrestling belt. That's how this is. It's so tall. And I loved everything about these pants. I really wanted to love these, but sadly these are going back. But if you know why the waistbands are so freaking tall on all these leggings, not just with Bombshell, but other brands, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you're not following me already on Instagram, it's Margarita the Perfumista, just like on here. And that's where you can find all my fitness content. And subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too,